Here we go. 2014 Panini Prizm World Cup Soccer. This personal box here for Hasek39. Thank you and good luck. Hope it's nice. This was the one you picked, I think, ending in 149. Come on now. There we go, 149. Hasek, thank you again. Best of luck to you. I haven't done some soccer in about a week, I think. Having withdrawals. Predicting a golden Messi for you. Hope I'm right. Still doing it, Chase. This is soccer, man. I'm your favorite product. I don't know why you don't just get on it, Chase. All right, Hasek, good luck, man. Here we go. I usually just go one pack at a time so I don't miss any of the parallels and stuff. I'm not going to read out all your base cards. If you want me to, though, I definitely will. All right, first up, we got a matchups. Schweinsteiger and Nani, Germany-Portugal matchups, base version. Pack number 2. Blue Rafael Marquez Cup Captains for Mexico. Marquez Blue is going to be numbered 144 of 199. Couple more base. All right. He's got a big following, Chase. It's crazy, man. Even I got involved in this stuff this year. And Host City, Belo Horizonte Pulsar, red and yellow Pulsar Prizm. And it's your other color already. Bruno Martins Indy. Ivory, nope. Holland. 48 of 149. Pirlo, World Cup Stars base version. Cup Captains, Landon Donovan Pulsar. Nice. Red and Blue Wave, Lionel Messi. Still alive in the cup. Guardians for Uruguay, Fernando Muslera. Base Guardians insert. Ronaldo base. And Sergio Ramos World Cup Stars base insert. Ivory Coast, base insert, country. Base pack. Hasek, you a fan of any teams in particular, teams or players, or chasing the big stuff? Host City Recife, base insert. So first half. Nice red and blue plaid Ronaldo. Me too. I'm the same way. Same way on this stuff. Some good stuff. Big stuff you can hit. Di Maria and Dani Alves, Brazil, Argentina. Base version matchups. Guardians Casillas for Spain. Base insert. Neymar World Cup Stars insert. Base version. Getting some good players, man. Just not numbered, unfortunately. Brazil Prizm. Get you a few bucks. And Luke Wilkshire, Prizm card, Australia. Thank you, I appreciate it, man. Samuel Eto'o, Cup Captains base version. One, two, three, 5 packs to go. Good luck, man. Base pack. I got a couple more base packs left. That's only the second one so far, I think. Messi base. And, oh, there he is. Red and Blue Wave Suarez World Cup Stars. No Suarez jokes? Died down already? On the Suarez jokes? Netfinders, Eden, Zico, Bosnia-Herzegovina. 2 packs to go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Auto. Oh, look at that. Got a Pulsar Ronaldo this time. Hit the, what did you get? Plaid earlier. Those are not numbered. Alright, Hasek, last pack. Good luck. Good luck. Something good. I hope something good. South Korea. Korea Republic team card, base version. Probably not what you were hoping for to end it with. That does it. No autos. Sorry, man. Some nice inserts. Ronaldo, Suarez, Brazil Prizm, Neymar, Ronaldo Plaid, Messi Red and Blue Wave, Indy, Host City, Marquez. Alright, Hasek, thank you again. Appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. I'll ship, hey, with these I always ship all the base cards too, so those will ship. If you don't want them or whatever for some reason, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll ship them all. So thanks again, man.